It's been so cold and rainy in Korea these days, and all I wanted was some snacks to fix my cravings. So I opened the Kup app, my favorite delivery app here in Korea. It's super easy to use, fast, and honestly, it has every brand in Korea. So there's no need to check every store one by one. What I love most is how reliable it is. Even on rainy days, my order arrives right on time. The Kup app really makes life in Korea so convenient. If you haven't tried it yet, you definitely should.